Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our polished stainless steel rear bumpers for the 48 to 56 F-Series trucks. If you're looking to add some extra shine to your restoration project, one of the quickest and most noticeable upgrades would be adding a polished stainless steel bumper to your Ford truck. Made right here in the USA, Dennis Carpenter makes his polished stainless steel bumpers from the highest quality heavy gauge stainless steel. They had the factory style holes pre-punched for the matching bolts, which are included. For custom applications, we also offer this bumper with no holes, so you can drill them in your desired location. The benefits of a stainless bumper over chroming is that it will never rust and it can always be repolished if needed. So if you're restoring a 48 to 56 F-Series truck and want to add some curb appeal to your project, you can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest releases. If you have any suggestions or requests on videos you'd like to see on our channel, comment below.